Well, I have decided, since I was feeling like flying, I'm going to put up my new UMX Timber X, and it's a pretty neat little plane. I've already flown it once yesterday late in the day, but I did not have the flaps thing figured out, so I had no flaps, and I had my dual rate settings kind of not where I wanted them. So, but I fixed it. I got it all set up the way I want it, so I'm gonna take it for a little putt. This is the second flight of the UMX Timber X. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take off with half flaps. Good one. There we go. Have it on low rates. Try two. That's better. Or curve one. Do have one thing. Two, like full control. Hey there. Hit the tree. Wouldn't climb. I was messing with the dual rates and we are stuck. Okay, I'm talking dead. Alright, recovery time. I think it's the one piece. That was the hatch. You got the hatch down on the floor. Yeah. Trying to recall what happened. I got distracted by this fella that was selling something or another, and then I looked away, and then I was unable to climb. So let's see how my battery mounts this time. Better. No damage to the plane that I can see. A couple little nicks from hitting the branch, but that branch stopped us good. Let's see here. Flaps work. No more damage. Can't see anything. Up we go. 5-minute timer. Got a little traffic here on the street here. I'm gonna take off without flaps. Don't need them. Never fly into the sun. That's what I did. I'm barely bringing this thing down. I can mess with mine. Let me see. I better. Yep. Still climbing. Wow. No, that flaps. That's better. At least I can bring it down. Hi, how are you? Hi. I bought it online. Yep. The timber. Yeah. Yeah, this thing keeps on flying. I'm trying to get this thing down. Airplane. It's an airplane. See the wings? I gotta fix the controls though. Hard to get it to come down. There's something called a trim control where you can adjust how much throw you have here. Let's see here. But it says the rudder, the elevator's still kind of pointed up. So at least I should be able to get it back in one piece. I had to get it out. I had to get it out of the tree earlier. Oh yeah, yeah. I've crashed a lot of these things. Drones I don't crash, but airplanes I do because they don't hover. So you have to always, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I can't take my eye off my airplane because it'll fly away. That's a rule that they teach you. Uh-huh. Yeah, one time I was talking to my dad for a few seconds at the park, and I lost my airplane, and it went like a quarter mile away, and I didn't get it back for like an hour. So I had a LA County sheriff at the park find it for me, you know. And yeah. I didn't know. Yeah, I got lucky. Shoot. Uh-oh, we're in trouble again. I hope not. Let's see if I bring it back here. Thank God. Yep. Well, there goes that. At least it got back in one piece. Yeah, there goes the flaperons. Bummer. Well, so much for that.